Hey there, welcome back. Today, we've got something special for all of you who are navigating the world of personal finance on a $40,000 salary. If you've ever wondered how to make the most out of your income, stick around because we're diving deep into the art of budgeting. Let's get started. 1. Importance of budgeting on a $40,000 salary. You know, making the most of your money, regardless of the size of your paycheck, is crucial. With a $40,000 salary, budgeting becomes your secret weapon to achieving financial goals. Let's break it down together. 2. Analyzing your income and fixed expenses. The first step in budgeting is understanding your income. Take your annual salary of $40,000 and divide it by 12 to get your monthly income, which is around $3,333. Now, let's identify your fixed expenses, things like rent, utilities, and transportation. Subtract these from your monthly income. 3. Allocating for variable expenses. Here's where it gets interesting. Variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out can fluctuate. Create specific categories and allocate a reasonable amount for each. This will help you avoid overspending while still enjoying life. 4. Setting up savings goals. Having savings goals is essential. Allocate a portion of your salary for emergency funds, future investments, or that dream vacation. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill to ensure you're building a secure financial future. 5. Tracking and adjusting your budget. Remember, budgeting is not set in stone. Regularly track your spending using budgeting apps or spreadsheets. If you overspend in one category, adjust another to balance it out. It's all about finding that sweet spot. 6. Celebrating milestones. Reaching your financial milestones is a big deal. Whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or investing for the future, don't forget to celebrate your wins. It keeps you motivated on this financial journey. There you have it, budgeting strategies tailored for a $40,000 salary. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and budgeting empowers you to take control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Signing off. Take care and keep budgeting. Until next time, stay financially savvy.